Hey NEET aspirant and future doctors, welcome to our YouTube channel. NEET Guidance, the internet is full of bro science, fake news, half knowledge and wrong information of a propaganda. If you want a reliable, authentic, updated information about the NEET UG courses, MBBS, PDS, PVLC, Ayush and NEET counseling process and admission guidance, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and you never have to go anywhere else again. Maharashtra MBBS and BDS seat reservation 2023 category reservations in Maharashtra state for medical colleges and dental colleges. Communal or constitutional reservations. There will be 50% seats of the total intake capacity reserved for the constitutional reservation category. Categories like SC, ST, DTA, NTB, NTC, NTD, OBC, SBC, SEBC, EWS from government and corporation medical colleges across Maharashtra state. There will be 25% seats of the total intake capacity reserved for the constitutional reservation category. Categories like SC, ST, DTA, NTB, NTC, NTD, OBC, SEBC, SBC, EWS from unaided private professional educational institutions. For SC category, reservation quota, reservation in government colleges 13% and reservation in private unaided college 6.50%. For ST category, reservation in government colleges 7% and reservation in private unaided college 3.50%. Vimukta Jati, DTA, reservation in government colleges 3% and reservation in private unaided college 1.50%. And for nomadic tribes, NTB, reservation in government colleges 2.50% and reservation in private unaided college 1.25%. For nomadic tribes, NTC, reservation in government colleges 3.50% and reservation in private unaided college 1.75%. And for nomadic tribes, NTD, reservation in government colleges 2% and reservation in private unaided college 1%. For OBC and SBC category, reservation in government colleges 19% and reservation in private unaided college 9.5%. For personnel with disability, reservation in government colleges 5% and reservation in private unaided college 5%. For female candidates, reservation in government colleges 30%, reservation in private unaided college 30%. Totally for reservation in government colleges 50% and in reservation in private unaided colleges 25%. Category reservation in Maharashtra state for government colleges as given below. For unreserved category 9%, for EWS economically weaker section 10%, for OBC and SBC other backward classes and special backward classes 19%, for SEBC socially economically backward classes 16%, for Vimukta Jati DTA 3%, for nomadic tribes NTB 2.5%, for nomadic tribes NTC 3.5%, for nomadic tribes NTD 2%, for SC category 13% and for ST category 7%. Category reservation in Maharashtra state for unaided private institutions. For management quota 35%, for EWS economically weaker section 10%, for OBC and SBC other backward classes and special backward classes 16%, for Vimukta Jati DTA 1.5%, for nomadic tribes NTB 1.25%, for nomadic tribe NTC 1.75%, for nomadic tribes NTD 1% and for SC category 6.5% and for ST category 3.5%. MBBS Maharashtra state quota. For government medical colleges, 15% of medical seats are reserved for the All India quota and the remaining 85% of medical seats are reserved for the Maharashtra state quota. Maharashtra private medical colleges have management quota, minority quota and institutional quota. In that management quota 85% and institutional quota 15%. Management quota. 85% of management quota for MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BUMS courses in unaided private and minority colleges shall be filled on the all India basis and management quota seats in Maharashtra private medical colleges are available for Maharashtra domicile candidates based on their Maharashtra state rank. Institutional quota. 15% institutional quota for MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BUMS courses in unaided private minority colleges shall be filled on the all India basis, which shall be also includes the eligible NRI, OCI candidates and candidate from other than Maharashtra state also. These seats will be filled up by the competent authority through CAP. Such seats remain vacant after a CAP round will be surrendered to respective institute for institutional level round. Special reservation categories. Specified reservations means reservation other than constitutionals like female, hilly area, PWD, defense and MKB are classified as specified reservations. During the allotment of a seat in specified reservation seat will be filled first, and this is applicable specially for MBBS course, and such these applications are not applicable to BDS course and some other course. PWD, persons with disability. DEF, defense category. HA, hilly area reservations. MKB, Maharashtra Karnataka dispute border area residents. And orphan reservations. Minority reservation to others. Jain minority, Muslim minority, Christian minority, Gujarati Sindhi minority, Hindi linguistic minority. To know about the communal reservation, read as follows. Claim female reservations, read as follows. To claim NRI reservations, read as follows. To claim EWS reservations, read as follows. To claim PWD reservation, please read as follows. To claim defense reservations, please read as follows. To claim hilly area reservation, please read as follows. To claim MKB reservations, read as follows. To claim religious minority reservations, please read as follows. To claim Gujarati Sindhi reservations, please read as follows. To claim Hindi linguistic reservations, please read as follows. If you appreciate this video and wish to view further videos, press the subscribe button, like, share and press the bell icon to get the latest updates and notifications. Thank you for the watching.